how to create a Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your Facebook application. Inside the Facebook application, you will see at the bottom a create a new account option. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, click on get started account, and it will ask you to type in your first name and last name. Simply type in like this. For example, I will simply type this, and once you do that, set out your date of birth and make sure it's more than 18 years old, and set it to like this, and choose your gender according to yourself, and it will ask you to enter a mobile number or sign up with an email. I will simply sign up with my email. Let's say I will sign up with some random email and click on next. Continue creating account, and it will ask you to create a password. Simply create a simple password which you will easily remember. And once you do that, it will ask you to save your information. You can save for the future login, and once you click on done, it will ask you to add a profile picture. I will skip it for now, and it will ask you to turn on the contact uploading to the find friends faster. I will simply click on not now for now, and I'll skip every option from here. It will ask you to add suggestions. You can simply click on next from here, and you can add phone number if you like. I will skip it for now, and you can simply see my Facebook account has been officially created. And if you like to delete this account, you can simply delete it as well by going into the settings menu. So that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can create a Facebook account in just these easy steps. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.